Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are gonna see the products which I got from the Nykaa's end of season sale, which is happening now. There are a lot of discounts on various products which are available. So these are the products which I purchased. These are affordable products and some of the products which I have not used and I want to give it a try. So let us see these products in detail. So the first one is the Aqualogica Sunscreen Gel. So this is of SPF 50. So I've seen a lot of reviews and people say it is good for oily skin and it can be used under makeup for everyday use. So I wanted to give it a try. It's got a very good consistency and it really absorbs in really well. The next one is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. So this is a really good primer. I think everyone will know it. It has a matte finish and it is definitely a good one for oily skin. The next one is the Nykaa SkinShield Foundation and this is of shade Toasty Caramel. I wanted to purchase this for a long time and this shade looks really great and will definitely go well for dusky skin tone. It blends in really well, as you can see. This is the Nykaa Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette and this is a free product which I got for the Nykaa products which I purchased in this sale. So this is of shade 06 and it's got really good pigmentation, as you can see here. It's a lovely shade. Next one is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. It is of shade 30 Honey. And this is a really good shade for a dusky, medium to dusky skin tone. I like the consistency of this. This is the first time I'm purchasing a Maybelline concealer. It blends in really well and I hope it will give a really good finish. The next is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact and this is of shade Sun Beige. This is a really good compact which I've heard. I have used Maybelline compact earlier, but this is the shade which I really liked compared to the ones I had earlier, which was a very lighter shade. But this one is really great, as you can see here. It'll go well on a medium to dusky tone. It is almost as similar to my skin. Next is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara of waterproof. This is really great. I hope many of you have this. The next one is the Maybelline Brow Cream Pencil and this is of shade dark brown. This is the first eyebrow pencil I'm getting from Maybelline. The shade looks really great. So this is the free product I got for the Maybelline products which I purchased. It's a liquid matte lipstick, shade Sensationally Me. And this shade is really lovely. You can see it here. And the consistency is really great. Next is the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is of shade 7. So I always wanted to buy an eyeshadow palette with all these colorful shades, pink, blue and green. And I really love the pigmentation of it. It is awesome. You can see here. And the colors are really great. So I'll just swatch it to see. It probably might look a little lighter here, but the pigmentation is really good. The next one is the Swiss Beauty Lip and Cheek Cream. So this is of shade Berrylicious, and this is a creamy consistency lip and cheek tint, and this shade is really great. As you can see, it'll suit well for dusky tone for sure. Next is the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Spray. So this is something which I wanted to buy for a long time, and I've heard good reviews. The next one is the Swiss Beauty eyeliner gel. This one is really nice, and you can see it is like really dark just in a single stroke. Next one is the Swiss Beauty matte lipstick, and this is a free product which I got, and it's of shade Bare. This shade looks really lovely, and it will definitely go well for dusky tones for everyday use. Apart from that, this is another free product which I got from Faces Canada. It is a comfy matte lip color, and it's of shade Note to Self. It's a mini liquid lipstick, and the shade looks great. This is another free product from L'Oreal Paris. It's the Glycolic Bright Serum. It's a mini version. So these are the different products which I got from the Nykaa's end of season sale. So go ahead and grab it, you still have time. There's a lot of discounts which are there on most of the products. So make use of this sale, and happy makeup everyone. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe.